So you just bought a $50,000 to $60,000 truck and you're super stoked to start modding it, but after dishing out so much cash, you're not really sure what is the most important thing to start with. Let's say your budget is like 300 bucks.
So we're gonna tell you what you should get with that $300. So let's get this video started. Yes, we can.
Now with that $300, this is the first mod that I would do. I would install screen protectors on all this stuff right here. They have it for the climate controls, the shifter knob, the screen obviously, and the cluster gauge. It comes with both the 14-inch or the 8-inch, and if you have a Tacoma, one thing I can tell you is that this stuff scratches up so easily, and if you plan to go off-roading, this is something you're gonna want to just keep the life of your vehicle looking nice and looking clean.
For the first thing I want to do with $300, I would get this TVD vinyl. So it's a vinyl for your OEM rim, and on our hybrid we have an 18-inch one, and this actually transforms it from looking stock to something that looks like aftermarket, so you can roll around with that for a while. It took some time to put it on, but come on, it looks great. We've had it for 10,000 miles. It's gone through power wash, it's gone through sand, dirt, trailing we've been doing, so it's been great. 50 bucks, that's good money spent.
With my remaining money, the next thing I would do is make sure that I get Last Fit floor liners. They're about 150 bucks, they're easy to clean, and the coverage is awesome. Jonny and I actually got these 4 months before even purchasing the truck. We knew we were gonna need them.
Next thing I would get is this Last Fit bed liner and tailgate liner. Scratch proof, weather proof. Feels good when you're, climbing in and grab some stuff, things won't slide. And for about $200 for both, that's a good purchase.
I have a little under $100 left, so the last thing I'm gonna do is spend 80 bucks and get these silicone inserts. They fit perfectly in all of the truck's nooks and crannies, and they have saved us on that road trip. We had a drink explode, other drinks would sweat, and believe it or not, this truck has 16 cup holders, and they just fit in here perfect, super easy to clean, and nobody likes sticky cup holders. These things are fantastic.
I got like 50 bucks left, so the last thing I would get is the Valvomax oil drain plug. If you do your own oil change, it makes it so easy. You're not gonna make a mess because it comes with a tube.
That's how we would spend $300 if we had just gotten this truck and we were about to add some mods to it.
So what would you do with your $300?
Let us know in the comments. Please subscribe, help us keep making videos, and stay tuned because we have some pretty exciting mods to come.
Yes, we can.